Cool. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra, and today we're going to be learning about how to find out the mean. Okay? So first of all, for that, what we need to do first make an empty list for numbers. Numbers. Okay, equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks. Oh, sorry. Enter your number of numbers so we can just copy it. Okay. Now we will do for I in range. Okay, so number of numbers. We would do number equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your number. That's what we would do. Now all we have to do is add this into our empty list, which is numbers. Numbers dot append is supposed to be append number. Good. Number. This is that's correct. Okay, now what we would do is just print our numbers. Print numbers. So let's say I have 5. It could be anything. So 3, 9, 10, 6, 7, and 8. Oh yeah, I wrote 5. So as you can see, it's not right now in order, but actually to find the mean, we don't need to write it in order. This is only for when we're finding medians. Okay, so we just print our numbers. Now all we have to find is the mean. So for mean, first thing we have to do is now add up all these numbers, right? And after adding all these numbers, we have to divide them by how many numbers are there. Okay? So simple, what we would do is sum equals to sum. You know that function, sum numbers. So it would add up all the numbers we have in this list over here. So after that, we need to divide it by how many numbers we have. So we can just straight away write mean equals to sum divide by. Now this has to be for sure number of numbers because we have exactly 5 numbers here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here we wrote 5. So it has to be numbers of numbers. Now all we have to do is just print the mean. Print. So you string formatting. The mean is mean. Okay. So we can just now run the code. 5. Let's say 5, 2, 7, 9, and 4. Okay? So, see? It tells us our mean. Let's run it again to see. So let's say this time 3. We could say any amount of numbers. So what we would do 5, 9, 4. The mean is 6. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to find the mean I hope you like it and bye. Okay? So don't forget, finding the mean, you have to like add up all the numbers, then divide how many numbers are there.